Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Online Marble. Hope you guys are doing good. And in this video, I'm going to show you a staircase design. With that also I'll show you 3D wall elevation tiles. As you can see, these are the 3D wall elevation tiles and this is only installed in the half portion. If you install that in the complete wall elevation, it will look bad. So it is only installed in a portion. As you can see, the other part of the wall is painted and the half part is 3D tiles are installed. So now let us talk about the price of this 3D tiles. The price of this 3D tiles is around 220 rupees per box, and in one box you get around 9 feet of tiles. And as you can see, it completely looks like 3D. When you see with your own eyes, it will look completely 3D and it will give a house a very good look. Now let us talk about the staircase. The two types of granite are used in the staircase. One is the R black. The black one is the R black. That is around 70 to 80 rupees is the wholesale price. 70 to 80 rupees per square feet is the wholesale price. And the another white one you're seeing is called as spring granite, and the price of that is also around 70 to 80 rupees in the wholesale market. And as you can see, this is the 3D wall elevation tiles. It looks completely good and great in your house. Now let us talk about the installation price of this. The installation price comes around 25 rupees, that is the labor. The labor charge is 25 rupees per square feet. And for using one more, the tiles adhesive, that is 15 rupees. To paste the tiles adhesive is used, and the total cost of installation comes around 65 rupees. That is 25 rupees for the tiles per square feet and 25 rupees for the labor and 15 rupees for the tiles adhesive. So guys, hope you like my video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you all in my next video, and you can have a look of the house. And please do comment and tell me how do you like my videos, and like and subscribe. Thank you.